Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Cob app. Hello friends, today we will discuss about comparison operators and logical operator. Now we will see comparison operators. Comparison operators are also called as relational operator. It will compares the values of two operands and return Boolean, true or false. As you can see the comparison operators here, I will give examples one by one. Let assume k equals 4, n equals 6, d equals 4, r equals 12. We will see true and false for every operation. First we will see greater than operation. If we enter kn, it will give false since 4 is not greater than 6. If we enter r, n, it will give true since 12 is greater than 6. Now we will see less than. If we enter k less than n, it will give true since 4 is less than 6. If we enter r less than d, it will give false since 12 is not less than 4. Now we will see greater than or equal to. If we enter r greater than equals n, it will give true since r is greater than n. If we enter k greater than or equals to d, it will give true since k is equal to d. Similarly, less than operator will be done. Now we will see equal to. If we enter r equals n, it will give false since 12 is not equal to 6. If we enter k equals d, it will give true since k and d are same. Similarly for not equal. By this we will wind up comparison operators. Now we will start logical operators. Logical operators are used on conditional statement, true or false. Here we will use mainly and, or, not. And means if both statements are true then it will return true. Or means if any one is true then it will return true. Not if we given false it will return true. Now we will see some examples. Let assume x equals true, and y equals false. Now if we enter x and y it will give us the output as false. And now if we enter x or y it will give us the output as true. Since x is true if any one is true or will give true. And finally, last but not least, not. If we enter not x it will give us false. If we enter not y it will give us true. By this we will wind up today's class. Tomorrow we will discuss about bitwise operator. I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cob app.